Welcome to this opportunity that we can really share and we proudly share sa inyo, the Live Good Company. So, bago po tayo magpatuloy, panoorin muna po natin na ang Live Good Company profile. So, let's watch this.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of LiveGood. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet and magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive. People are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago, while companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created LiveGood. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff date to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of LiveGood for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the Powerline above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the Powerline. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of LiveGood, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share LiveGood products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
Okay, so that is the company profile. So disclaimer lang po tayo. So all the information contained herein has been provided as an information service only, no? Not a financial or medical advice. The accuracy or completeness of the information is not warranted and is only reliable as the sources from which it was obtained. So, note din po dito na yung delivery or courier fees are not inclusive to product pricing, and the monthly subscription of almost $10 is a requirement to remain an active member of Live Good. Okay, so sa pangarap mo at ilang taon mo bago makamit. So, lahat naman po talaga tayo ay may pangarap, no? So, let's say ikaw po ay nangangarap na magkaroon po ng house in lot no, worth 3 million. At least, no, sa panahon natin ngayon talagang medyo maliit na yan. O medyo maliit pa yan kasi ang dami-dami, mahal na po yung materials. So aside from house in lot, pagpapaaral po sa mga anak, so maybe up to college, you will invest for 4 million. And also for the travels, you want to abroad, no, makita mo iba't ibang bansa. So, 2 million. No? And then, the car, at lahat naman tayo ay nangangarap niyan kasi necessity na yan ngayon. Okay, so that is 1.5 million. So, maganda-ganda ng klase yan. No? And also, properties. So, lahat naman tayo ay nangangarap no, to really expand our horizon, yung mga properties na meron tayo. So, total po niyan, kapag itutotal po natin, so that is estimate 13.5 million. So kapag tayo po nasa employment or mayroon po tayong other sideline. So for example po sa amin, no, as teacher, so 900 a day, 27K a month, 324K a year. So ilang taon kaya yan kapag dinivide natin? Yung 13.5 million divided by 324K. Ilang taon nating pagkatrabahuhan? So that is 41 years. No, bago natin maabot yung ganito. What if pakitaan po natin kayo no nung opportunity na kung saan ang papabilis po instead of 41 years, pwedeng 11 years o pwedeng 3 years depende sa effort natin at pwede natin isabay to, no? Okay, so isa pong slide, no? Live Good is actually a membership that pays, no? Ano po at kailan po nagsimula yung Live Good? What type of industry it is? So, Live Good is a popular membership like Amazon Prime. So, mayroon po silang subscription fee per month, 14.99, and they have 161 million members. Netflix. So, sa mga nagne-Netflix po dyan, mahilig manood, $9.99 po ang kanilang subscription, and they have actually 232 million members nowadays. And Sam's Club, Costco, and Disney, no? Name it, meron silang million members. So what is the difference? What is the uniqueness of our company, Live Good, to this particular membership clubs, no? So unlike Netflix, Costco, Sam's, Amazon Prime, and Disney, na ang yumayaman po dito, actually ay ang may-ari lang. Sa Live Good, lahat po dito maaaring kumita. Okay? So, Amazon, like for example, on July 16, 1995, they started sa pagbebenta po ng mga libro, online bookseller. Sa ngayon naman po, so kung makikita natin, ayan, in the early 2000s, they're offering videos, music, and other types of products. So, Live Good is launched globally last December 13 lang, no? 2022, with its business of a wholesale club membership. So, meaning to say, wala pong isang taon. So, itong December pa lang tayo mag-iisang taon. So, napakabata po ng company and it's really pioneering, no? We also have high quality products, affordable, and etong maganda. Si Live Good sa ngayon ay nagka-capitalize po sa health and wellness, but then the company CEO and its co-owners, no, yung mga leaders po ay nangangarap din, no, na magpadagdag ng other products like travel industry, malaking industriya po yan, household products. So para tayong Alibaba style, no? So solar panel, no? Napakalaking bagay po ito. Crypto industry, yung Bitcoin, no? Dati magkano lang yan. So ngayon talaga millions of dollars na po yung halaga nitong crypto. Yan yung future ng ating pera, kapirahan. Skincare industry sa mga kababaihan po, no? Kasi according to research, in almost 10 people, 9 doon ay babae, no? And alam naman po natin the feminine side, they are really into skincare, no? Yan. So as of now po, 600,000 pong nakalagay dito, but according to Coach Bernan, so mayroon na po tayong 630,000 members worldwide. So I mean kasi hindi lang po yan sa Philippines. So it's actually all over 272 countries. And also, Live Good CEO po natin, Mr. Ben Glensky, with over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry. Ben knows how to help people win. Okay. Katulad din po natin, naranasan din po yan ni Ben, yung malugi, no, magkaroon ng ibang mga companies na talagang mahal. Kumbaga, ang product ay napakamahal. Kaya na-conceptualize talaga nila na gagawin, ano ba yung pinagkaiba at paano makapaganda yung ganitong industriya ng network marketing or multi-level marketing. Okay po. So, Live Good team po. So, kasama po dyan si Ryan Goodkin and Lisa Goodkin. They are really couple, and Ryan Goodkin is a director of product development of Live Good. He has obtained his doctorate in pharmacy. So for 15 years, he actually works as a pharmacist, no? And also his wife, Lisa Goodkin, director of product education. And Sir Noder Kasan as a director of network marketing. Okay, so according to Noder Kasan, the director of the network marketing, the days of selling overpriced products, so a few people at the top of compensation plan can get rich are over. So, napaka-laki po ng porsyento sa mga traditional MLM companies na yung talagang kumikita lang ay yung mga top earners. Pero pagdating sa baba, no? Kaya talagang nagkakaroon tayo ng haka-haka na pyramiding lang karamihan ng mga traditional network marketing o marketers kasi nga dahil napakamahal, no, ng products na hindi siya bodega price. So kailangan magpatong para doon sa mga top earners at yun ang tinanggal ni Ben Glinsky. Kasama yan si Noder Kazan. So yun yung tinanggal nila yung mga hassle na yan, no? Okay, so everybody, kahit kakapasok mo lang o matagal ka na dito, pwede kang kumita, no? Okay. So over 17 life-changing products meron po tayo sa Live Good. And it is available on our website if you're already a member and you want to be a member. So you can really have a Live tour, a Live Good tour, no, sa inyo pong websites. When it comes to products, wala po tayong question dyan because we have the highest quality products. The purest, most natural ingredients from the most pristine locations on the planet and world-class manufacturing facilities. So, made in USA, approved by GMP, meaning good manufacturing practices. Lab tested for purity and potency. Alam niyo po, napakaganda kasi ang Live Good lang ang nagkaroon ng tinatawag na Certificate of Analysis. Meaning to say, ganun sila ka-transparent when it comes to their products. No, unlike any other companies, sabi nga may dalawang klase lang ng companies, the Live Good and the rest, no? So, ito, napaka-transparent ng company to. So, some of the products like CBD Pain Relief Cream, ayan, sa mga masasakit sa kaugatan. Ayan, Pinangha Plus po ito. At na-order po ito, no, on our website, no. Just explore the website if you're already member. Sa mga magpapa-member pa lang ngayon, so you have that pre-enrollment so you can see and have a tour at your temporary websites. So ilan po yan yung mga products na ino-offer po ni Live Good, like collagen peptides, ayan, mababasa naman po dyan, facilitate muscle growth, lean body mass, and faster muscle recovery. So yan po yung napakagandang mga products ngayon na ino-offer ni Live Good. And also energy and focus patches para sa lagi pong mga stress. No, yan. Na-stress sa trabaho, na-stress sa kung ano-ano. So it really increases positive mood, provide healthy energy, greater performance. Ayan. So and also may mga pampa. Dito po kay Live Good, lahat po ng klase ng pampa dito andi dito na. So katulad yan, pampatulog, pampalakas, pampatubo ng muscle, pampasexy, pampapayat, pampataba, lahat ng pampa. Okay? So available na kay Live Good ngayon. Okay? Next, how to order products. Napakadali lang po. So order as a consumer or member. Consumers pay retail low prices and members pay lower prices. So malaki po yung discount dito. How much? 75% po ang discount natin dito. Yan. Basta nga po nakakita ng company na nag-o-offer ng ganito kalaking discount. No, isipin mo yung ibang company, 25% lang, 50%. But then, in this particular company, 75%. Naku po, napakalaki niyan. Napakalaki niyan. So, ito pong kagandahan dito, may price comparison pa po sila. No? If you can see dyan sa mga red colors na yan, naka-red po yung product ni Live Good. Okay, katulad po nitong CBD oil, no? 89.99, 79.95, samantalang kay Live Good, $18 mo lang makukuha. So, the rest, kayo na po ang mag-search dyan, no? Napakaganda po ng mga products. So, ibibigay lang po natin yung link sa inyo sa mga bagong invite lang po dito. Balikan nyo po yung nag-invite sa inyo na may website. So, dyan naman po yan. So, you can have your free tour. And then, may mga vitamins po tayo for women and men. So, makikita natin pag member ka po dito, 9.95 mo lang siya makukuha. And the retail price is 17.95. Yan. So, iba't ibang mga products meron tayo. Like, yan. So, may kape rin po dito, no? Kape with mushrooms. Yan. So, members price 17.95, retail price 28.95. Pong protein, tubo ng muscle, pampalakas. Ayan, so pwede po ating aralin yan. Marami po sa mga product trainings po nandito. Ayan, so $22 lang siya. Ang kanyang retail price, $34. Ayan. So ilan lang po ito sa mga products na meron po si Live Good. But din 17 po yan na klase. How to become a member? Ayan, register with your sponsors link. Balik po kayo sa nag-invite po sa inyo. Hinggayin nyo lang po yung site niya, ang kanyang landing page. And you have just to pay $9.95 per month and $40. So that is almost $50, no? So ito yung nakaka-excite na part. So sa mga nandito po, naka-tune in, tuloy-tuloy lang po tayo. Kasi dito, ito na yung sasabi ating kitaan. Now, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? Yan. So, antabayanan po natin to. Gusto ko po kayong i-tour live po sa ating account po kay Live Good. Ayan. So, ito po, open natin, ano, ayan po yung account ko. So, and then, punta po tayo actually dito sa Payplan. And sa atin pong website, makikita po natin sa baba. Ito po sa baba, ayan. Ito po yung affiliate compensation plan po natin. So, earn income in 6 ways. Actually, ngayon, 7 ways na siya. So, I just would like to start po doon sa tinatawag po nating weekly fast start commissions. So, dito po kagandahan kapag nakasali ka po dito and you're already a member na hindi ka pa talaga familiar kung paano gumagana yung compensation system natin. So, number one po dito, yung tinatawag po ating weekly fast start commissions. So, kung sa atin pong employment, tayo ay nakaka-receive ng ating salary for 15 and 30, no? Every month. Dalawang bisis po tayong sasahod. Pero yung iba, majority of the employers nagpapasahod right after the month, no? Itong kagandahan kay Livegood kasi 4 na beses talaga ditong sasahod. Yun, commissions, in terms of commissions. So, weekly siya. Every Thursday and Friday po yung bigayan ng commission. So, magkano naman kapag tinatawag dito, nagkaroon ka ng invite or nakapag-enroll siya, nag-subscribe din siya katulad mo. So, mayroon ka kaagad $25 commission paid out the very next week. So, yan po yung kagandahan kay Livegood, no? At ibalik po natin doon sa isa ko pong PowerPoint na ginawa. Ayan. Ito po, yan. So, lakihan po natin ng konti. Ayan. So, in the weekly fast start commission po natin, let's say for example, first week mo po, nagkaroon ka lang ng 2. So, since $25 ang commission mo, 1,475 kada isa ang iyong commission. So, how much is your total weekly commission? $50. Meaning to say po, bumalik na yung 2,950 na binitawan mo nung last week. Kasi nakakuha ka ng 2. At ang maganda po niyan, mayroon ka ng rank dito. So, that is bronze, no? Bronze po yung rank mo. And then the second week po, mas ginanahan ka dahil nakapakita ka na ng proof of income. Mas ginanahan ka 4 ang nakuha mo. So that is 4 times 1,475, that is 5,900. Third week mo, nakakuha ka ng 8 times 1,475, 11,800. And fourth week mo, isang buwan ka pa lang, naka-16 ka. So 1,475 times 16, that is 23,600. Ang kagandahan po nito, hindi lang 23,600 kasi ipag-plus mo pa yan. 23,600 plus 11,800 plus 5,900. Huwag mo na isama yung capital na yan. No? Dito na lang po tayo mag-focus. Alam nyo magkano kikitain mo isang buwan. That is roughly 41,000. No? So, ganyan kaganda yung weekly fast start commission ni Livegood. Kasi weekly, pwede ka nang kumita dito. Ayan. So, pangalawang uri naman po ng kitaan, yung tinatawag po nating matrix commissions. So, matrix commissions, paano po sir? O paano po coach? Kung halimbawa, hindi po ako kumilos. Nag-reserve lang ako ng account ko, ng position ko, since sabi mo nga pioneering to, so mag-reserve lang ako. Pero pagdating sa mga invite, pagdating sa mga product selling, ay iwas ako dyan. Mga ganon. So, ano yung nakikitain pa rin ba ako? Yung tanong, nakikitain pa rin ba? Yes, meron ka pa rin po kikitain dito. Magkano kikitain mo dito? So, on your first month, first level, week 1 mo, so, nakakuha ka ng 2 times $0.25. After a month na sila ay mag-subscribe, so, mayroon ka kaagad total matrix commission after a month na 0.50. No? Level 2 mo yung 2, nalagyan na naman ni company ng mga spillover kasi hindi ka nga kumilos. So, si company, si upline mo, hataw-hataw, maring ang downline mo na yon, hataw-hataw din. So, upline mo, downline mo, hataw-hataw, ikaw naman, waiter ka lang, matrix waiter ka. So, makikita natin yan, level 2 mo 4, ang commission mo ay $1. Level 3 mo 8, ang commission mo $2, no? Up to, okay. So, magkakaroon talaga to ng kita dito na almost after 2 years, sabi nga dyan ni Coach Fernan. So, after 2 years, kikitain mo to kapag napuno na ang matrix mo ng 4,096 katao, i-plus mo yung 11 level, level 11 down to level 1. So, that is 8,192 katao. Pag nagbabayad sila ng 590, mayroon kang 14 pesos. So, yung tinatawag natin 0.25, i-times mo yan sa 8,192, you will arrive at 120,773 pesos kapag 59 ang palitan ng dollar. Yan. So, at least, after 2 years, huwag ka lang mainit. No? Talagang may kikitain ka dito. No? Pag inilagay mo ito sa bangko, sigurado hindi tutubo ito ng ganito kalaki. So, yung gagandahan kasi pioneering tayo. So, napakaraming tao ang nakaantabay, naghihintay lang para masira ng ganitong opportunity. So, ano bang hinihintay natin? No? Hanapin na natin tong mga waiter na to. Kahit waiter lang to sila, happy subscriber sila. At least, magtutulungan din sila kapag sila ay kumita na, no? After 2 years. Pero, actually, after 3 months, magsisimula na sila magkaroon ng dividend. Kasi yung mga nagsusubscribe sa kanila, magbabayad na yun monthly. So, doon kukunin ni company yung pang bigay sa atin na komisyon na matrix commission. Yan. What if hindi ka waiter? Creator ka. Ayan, no? So, level 1 to level 12, kikitain mo to, for example, padala-dalawa lang. Times 2 lang ng times 2. Times 2 ng times 2 every week, no? Actually, kung level 1 to 4, 1 month ka. Level 5 to 8, 2 months ka. Level 9 to 12, 3 months ka. In 3 months time, dahil times 2 lang ng times 2 ng times 2 ng times 2. Anong ginawa mo? Ang ginawa mo lang actually, kumuha ka ng dalawa. Tapos tinuruan mo lang siya kumuha ng tagdala-dalawa. Oh. O ito, sarili mong effort. 3 months time, kaya mong kitain yung 120,773. Ayan, so ganun kaganda yung kitaan dito kay Live Good. Okay? What if gusto mo pa talagang kumita ng mas malaki? O, ngayon sumali ka, September. Kumuha ka ng 10. Tinuruan mong kumuha rin ng 10, yung 10 na yun na direct mo. So, after 4th month mo, ito na yung kikitain mo, 2,500 pesos. 147,000. Okay? That is monthly na po yan. Hindi po yan weekly, monthly po yan kasi monthly lang subscribe. Paano ginawa mo to ng 2024, 2025, 2026? In just 3 years and 4 months, alam mo magkano ang aabutin mo dito? That is 147 million. Dahil meron ka ng 10 million katao under mo. Take note, possible, yes. Kasi 8 billion ang tao sa mundo. O nakuha mo dun yung 10 million. Meron kang 147 pero hindi mo yan ma-reach. Yun yung nakakalungkot. Kasi, according to Coach Fernan, tayo po ay may limit lang. Maabot natin yung diamond rank. Hanggang 45 million lang tayo monthly. Kada account mo yun. Ay kung tatlo kayo, may yung misis mo kasama mo, yung anak mo kasama mo, tatlong 45 million kayo monthly. Yun yung kagandahan. Nakakalungkot kasi hindi mo maabil yung 147 million. Pero 45 million na real account, nako, napakasaya nun. Imagine mo yung sarili mo kung saan ka na makakapunta nun. Anong may invest mo pa ng mga properties, no? Yun yung kagandahan. Okay po, so dahil po tayo ay limited time lang po, so bibilisan ko po ito ng konti. So mayroon po kayong mga katanungan, tanong na lang po tayo, ano. So that is second way of earning, no? Second way of earning. So, eto naman po, yung sa ating website, Weekly Fast Start, discuss na rin po natin yung matrix commission. Ang ngayong pangatlo po, yung tinatawag natin, matching bonus, no? Matching bonus, ibig sabihin po niyan, sa lahat po ng directs mo, mayroon kang 50%. So, yan yung personally enrolled, 50% ka dyan. Let's say may 100,000 ang isang direct mo. So, may 50,000 ka doon. Ay, paano kung 10 yung direct mo? Kung 10 yung direct mo, 50,000 times 10. So, that is 500,000. Monthly pa po yun. Monthly rin yun. Katulad ng Matrix Commission, may monthly commission ka rin po sa matching bonus. At ito yung kinakayaman ng mga top earner dito. No? And tayo rin soon, no? Maaabot natin to, no? If we just believe, we are free to believe on this. Yun yung maganda dito. And sa retail commission naman po, ways to earn number 4, kapag ikaw mahilig ka magbenta-benta ng mga products, share mo lang yung link mo kasi digital information age na tayo ngayon. Borderless, we transcend spaces. Pag gusto nating makarating ng Japan in just one send lang ng messenger mo, di ba? Naaabot na ng link mo. At pag pinasok yun ng customer, automatic pag bumili siya, magkano sa'yo dun? 50% on your level 1. O, pag unrank ka niyan. Pag bronze ka, mayroon ka ng 10%. Pag silver ka, hanggang 4th level. Up to diamond level. Itong maganda. Kasi 10 levels deep. O, yun yung kagandahan. Pag diamond ka na, hanggang 10 level mo, bumibili ng product, mayroon ka pa rin kikitain. Yun yung kagandahan kapag mahilig ka magbenta ng products. Yan. Influencer naman, nasa social media ka, no? Pwede ka nag-Facebook Reels ka, nag-TikTok ka, napa-order mo ngayon, yung mga fans mo. May nag-order ng 2,500, may 60% ka, plus 10%, 70. Ayun, kapag may nag-order ng pinakamalaki, 50%, ayun, may 100% ka na, may 50% ka pang additional commission. Yun yung kagandahan sa retail o sa pagiging influencer. No? Marami tayong makikilala dyan, makapasali ng mga influencer. YouTubers, vloggers, TikTokers. Ayan. So, Diamond Pool, Crown Diamond Pool, ayan. So, mayroon kang 2% pag diamond tayo dito. So, kaway-kaway dyan sa mga running for diamond ngayong December. So, I congratulate na kaagad po ng lahat na nandito. Kasi pa nag-start tayo, sabay-sabay talaga tayo dito. Wala tayong pupuntahan December na yung diamond tayo lahat. Ay yung kagandahan po, may 2% tayong share sa kita ng Live Good sa buong mundo in a 1 month. Okay po. So yun yung kagandahan dito. Okay po, so yan po yung 6 or 7 and 7 ways to earn, no? Dito po sa Live Good. Okay po. So, balik tayo dito kanina sa kaninang roughly estimate ko sa pangarap ko, 13.5 million. Ayan. So, kung 13.5 million, yung pangarap ko, kung sa employment, 41 years ko siya kukunin. Dito po, ino-offer tayo ng dalawang option. May dalawang option po tayo dito. Ayan. Okay. So, option 1 is isang account, no? ROI niya 120k in 2 years. Basta tuloy-tuloy ka lang mag-subscribe. At yung option 2 is 3 accounts yung kukunin mo dito. Ang ROI niyan 360k in 2 years. Waiter ka pa niyan. Okay? Kapag waiter ka in option 1, 120k. Pag creator ka naman, 966 kasi diamond rank ka niyan. Okay? So, yung kagandahan dito. Pag matrix creator ka naman sa option 2, ayan, pag waiter ka, 360k monthly, no? At kapag creator ka naman, 2.8 million monthly kasi diamond ka na yan. Tapos, 3 pa yung account nyo as family. So, yun yung kagandahan. Ang tanong po dito, asan yung pipiliin mo dito? Option 1 or option 2. Okay? So, ikaw na pong bahala mag-decide kasi alam namin, kasali ka dito, hindi ka kasali dito, pero kami, tuloy-tuloy lang kami. No? Sabi nga sa kasabihan ng mga marketers, no? Some join, some not. So, what next? No? Ayan, so, panalangin natin na ngayon makasabay ka na. Ngayon, habang September pa lang. Kasi, pag tumagal lang tumagal, baka doon ka na sa 10 million, 100 million. Hanggang ngayon, mayroon pang pagkakataon na nasa top 1 million ka pa before December. So that's all. Maraming salamat po. And good night po sa ating lahat.